Welcome to today's video. We'll be talking about the major winter storm that's happening today and ice storm too, and we're going to talk about the severe weather that's happening down by Florida and Louisiana too. So let's get started. All right, we got Sunday at 10 a.m. We got some heavy snow in Ohio, some freezing rain in Louisiana, Arkansas, Tennessee. Looks like a little Missouri, Kentucky, West Virginia, Virginia, North and South Carolina, and we got some rain in Louisiana and Alabama and little Tennessee too. We can see on there also, and we got some half snow in Pennsylvania, New York, Michigan, Illinois, and Wisconsin too. We can see. All right, so let's move on to Sunday at 1 p.m. I get some heavier snow in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York too. We can see in part of the New England states. We got our freezing rain in Tennessee. We can see on Mississippi too, Louisiana, in a little Arkansas too. North, South Carolina, Virginia, heavy snow in New York, Pennsylvania, Kansas. We got some snow in Missouri, Louisiana, and Texas too, and New Mexico too. Then we got Sunday at 4 p.m. too. We can see got some heavier snow in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, part of the New England states. Freezing rain in Virginia, North Carolina, Tennessee, and Mississippi too. Got some snow in Texas, Kansas too. We can see also scattered snow. Then we got some rain in Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, and West Virginia too. We can see on there. All right, by Sunday at 7 p.m., our heavier snow still in Ohio, Kentucky a little, rain and snow in Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, rain in Georgia, Mississippi we can see also, and a little Mississippi and Alabama and Tennessee. We got some rain in Kentucky too, and freezing rain in West Virginia, Virginia, North Carolina. Then we got some heavier snow in the New England states too. Then we got some snow in Colorado too. You can see on there. Got some snow in Texas. Got some snow in Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan too. Then Sunday by 10 p.m. we got our heavier snow in Pennsylvania, a little of Ohio. Then we got freezing rain in Virginia, North Carolina, and South Carolina. In the New England states, we got heavier snow too. In Maine too. You can see. Also, we got some snow over in Colorado, like snow. Then we got Monday at 1 a.m. too. We got some heavier snow in Pennsylvania, New York, the New England states, Maine, light snow in Ohio. In Virginia, we got some freezing rain in North Carolina too. We got some rain in South Carolina, North Carolina, and Georgia, and Florida too. Get some heavier snow in New England states, Maine. Got Monday at 4 a.m. We got some heavier snow. We got some snow in West Virginia, Pennsylvania. Got some rain in South Carolina, North Carolina. Then we got some Saturday snow over in Kansas, in Oklahoma, in Colorado too. Then we got some snow in Maine and the New England states, heavier snow too. You can see. Then Monday by 7 a.m. we just got some light snow scattered in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York. Got some heavier snow in Maine also. And with some snow in West Virginia and Virginia too. Got some scattered snow potentially in Kansas too. Also, then Monday by 10 a.m. we got some scattered snow still over in Pennsylvania, Ohio, New York, New England states, and Maine too. You can see. Then by 1 p.m. we got our snow still in Ohio a little bit, Pennsylvania, New York, and part of the New England states, Maine too. You can see on there. Monday at 4 p.m. we got some snow in Maine, part of the New England states, Pennsylvania, Ohio, New York, and Michigan too, and Indiana, and West Virginia. Then we got still some scattered snow in Ohio Monday at 7 p.m. Got some snow in New York, part of the New England states, Maine, Minnesota. We could have some potential snow too. Then Tuesday at 1 a.m. we got some snow in Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, Michigan, New York, part of the New England states of heavy snow in Maine. 4 a.m. we get some snow in Michigan, Pennsylvania too, and that's pretty much it, everybody. So let's move on to our snow totals. All right, we got our snow totals. So this is for Monday at 1 a.m. The snowstorm that's happening right now. So this is what 1 a.m. could look like. 18 inches has fallen in parts of Ohio, 16 inches, almost 20 inches in Pennsylvania, New York over 20 inches, almost 2 feet of snow, and 1.6 feet of snow potentially in Ohio. Then 14 inches in Ohio, 16 inches Indiana, 14 and 13 in Indiana too. You can see Maine we could get 15 inches. Maine we could get 8 inches of snow, 3 inches of snow also, a lot of snow potentially on the way in Ohio too. You can see in Virginia we got some snow too. Then let's move up. So in New York, we could get parts of New York with 23 inches of snow, 22 in parts of New England states, 20. Maine, 14 inches. New York, Pennsylvania, we could have a lot of snow too. You can see on there. Also, then parts of New England states, 16 inches, 12 inches. Maine, 11, 14, 18. Parts of New England states, 22 inches. 13, 14. New Jersey, we could 15 inches of snow and 6 inches in some spots and 5 inches in parts of New Jersey too. We can see. Also, Ohio. So this is the last. This is for 24 hours. So Sunday to 8 a.m. And Monday to 8 a.m. 12 inches will potentially fall in some parts of Ohio, and 9 and 6 and 7 inches too. You can see on there too. Then we can see by Monday by 7 p.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. to Monday to 7 p.m. We have 14 inches of snow that's fallen in Maine, and more probably a little more than that probably could get. Also, in New York, we got 10 inches of snow, 11 inches, 12, 14 in Maine, and 7 in parts of Maine, and 5 inches in parts of Maine, too. Then, all right, everyone, so let's move on to our ice totals, freezing rain totals. Let's moving on to that. All right, everyone, so this is our freezing rain total. So this is how much our freezing rain has already fallen by Sunday by 10 a.m. Got an inch of freezing rain has fallen in some places, over an inch of freezing rain. That's pretty bad still. That's still pretty bad. Louisiana got sorry guys, Louisiana we have almost an inch of freezing rain on the ground. North Carolina got 0.2 inches, 0.3 inches of freezing rain, 0.4 in Virginia. Kentucky almost an inch of freezing rain in some spots too. And also got parts of Texas has freezing rain on the ground, 0.2, 0.3. Then let's see. By Sunday by 6 p.m. we could have 2 inches of freezing rain almost in Tennessee. West Virginia, give 0.4 inches of ice. Virginia, have an inch of ice on the ground. North Carolina, 0.23 inches. South Carolina, 0.62 inches. 0.3 inches in Georgia, and 0.47 in Louisiana, and 0.6 inches in Kentucky, and 0.4 in West Virginia, and 0.66 in Maryland, and New Jersey, 0.26 too. Alright, let's move on more. So, could have some freezing rain over in one of the New England states too, and parts of Pennsylvania too. We got freezing rain, and a little of Ohio, potentially maybe. Also, like 0.4 in part of New England states, New Jersey 0.4 inches, and parts of Pennsylvania 0.2 and 0.3 inches. Maryland an inch of ice almost potentially. In Tennessee, almost 2 inches of ice potentially too. In North Carolina, 0.25 and 0.69 in some spots too. See, and 0.33 too. In Georgia, 0.3 and 0.29 in Georgia too, and 0.15 too. So everybody, let's move on to our severe weather risks, guys. Alright, everyone, we got our severe weather risk for today. I can't believe there is a severe weather risk for today. It's crazy because there's a snowstorm going on, there's an ice storm going on. Now we got potential for severe weather today. Got a slight chance in Florida, northern part by in the peninsula of Florida. Then we got an Alabama, a slight chance in Georgia. Then we got a marginal chance in Louisiana in the green, in Georgia, and little Florida too. You can see. Then we got just a STM risk, thunderstorm risk in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina, and Florida too. We can see. All right, so let's look at our tornado outlook. All right, you can see on there, we got our 5% risk in Florida, a little of Alabama, Georgia, and it looks like it's on the border of Mississippi. Then we got our 2% in Mississippi. Looks like Georgia and Alabama too, and Florida. You can see. Then we got our wind outlook too. You can see. You got our 15% looks in Florida, a little Florida, Mississippi too, a little of tiny bit. Then we got in Georgia too a little bit, in Alabama. Then we got our 5% wind risk in Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida too, in Louisiana too. We can see also. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. I see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. And I hope you learned something new too. Make sure to subscribe and notification bell. You never miss a video like this, guys. Okay. Bye, guys.